the sunrise covered by the clouds. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy. It's cloudy morning, guys. It's a nice view. It's clean water. Hoping that it's not hot weather today. This is a part of across the beach, and this is the boulevard, and that's the beach now. There's a fishing boat over there. There are, because they were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a lot of fishing boat. It's a nice weather. It feels good. It's a bit cooler. Yeah. Not much on people having a jogging over here. Mostly people are coming the boulevard to have an exercise, jogging exercise. I really like that one, guys. The sun covered by the clouds. I don't know what time is the sunrise. It's already, I don't know what time is it now. Maybe it's almost 6 a.m. already, so could be 6 a.m. is the sunrise, or that is the sunrise and already, I don't know. Because it was covered by the clouds. So yeah, guys, I really like the weather like this in the morning. It's a little bit breezy, cool, cooler, because it's already summer here, so the weather is really hot.